For amazing kolaches, a stop at Good Dough in Texas City is a must. Come on in, let's take a look.
When you're traveling through Texas, you're bound to get hungry. Join Joe as he eats his way through the Lone Star State. This is Texas Chronicles Pit Stop with Joe Perez. You might have seen Chef Mary Bass on the Food Network's Cutthroat Kitchen, but nowadays you'll see her behind the counter at her new Kolache Bakery in Texas City.
Hey, my name is Chef Mary Bass. Welcome to Good Dough Bakery. We're on historic 6th Street in Texas City, Texas. I'm so excited y'all are here. Let me tell you how Good Dough became Good Dough. So this beautiful space that we're in came up for lease, and so we decided to open a bakery. And originally we were going to do a full service, counter service bakery. And as we started testing through recipes, we really found that kolaches were delicious. We went to Nashville and had an artichoke spinach dip kolache, and it kind of started this whole trend of what we want to do. And so we have a culinary student who's a good friend of ours. His name was Zach Prahota, and his family has graciously given us their kolache dough recipe to use in his honor. And so we make the Prahota dough recipe, and that is what has really launched Good Dough Kolaches.
Texas Ace loves Good Dough.
The difference between this and someplace else is, one, the atmosphere, and the people are fantastic here. The attitudes of the employees here are just fantastic. And Mary is probably one of the most smiling people that I know. My favorite's this Sam I Am, this ham and this gooey cheese in here. I think you really need to try this. It is really good dough.
So it's long contested here in Texas what a true kolache is. And we have a bunch of great Polish heritage. Galveston was the last port to close to immigration, and so a lot of Polish immigrants came here. And so the traditional kolache has got a farm cheese and a fresh fruit topping. Typically it's apricot, poppy seed, prune, or plum, and those are the most common ones. And when you travel across Texas, when you're talking about a kolache, you're talking about a fruit kolache. But here in Texas, everything's just a little bigger, and so now Texans have created their own version of kolache, and they put sausage and cheese and jalapenos inside. And so we kind of took a riff off of the two. We still have the traditional kolaches that the families know and love as kolaches, and then we have some more unique flavors that are combinations that nobody else is creating.
We love the Beckys.
So here at Good Dough, we are a chef-driven concept, and so these wonderful ladies are my pastry chefs, and they're called the Beckys because they've got Becky with that good dough. Hey! And so they're a lot of fun, and they are awesome. Jordan and JoJo were culinary students of mine, and Fran came with Jordan, and so we're really happy. We've got a whole kitchen full of Beckys. Anytime you come in, please just ask for the Beckys. They'll peep around the corner and say hi to you.
We are the Beckys. All of us went to culinary school, had a great time, and we always wanted this to be our dream job. And here we are having our own thing, coming up with our own creative flavors.
We love it.
Yeah, we love it.
So our bakers start at 10 p.m. every night and get ready for the morning. We are open 7 days a week, 4 a.m. to 2 p.m. And so they get started. They start the dough processes. Every single thing is made from scratch in-house here at Good Dough. And they start and they make this dough and they make all the fillings, and they're baked fresh every single day here at Good Dough. There is nowhere else outside of this location right now to get one of these kolaches, because we want to just make sure that they are the freshest, most delicious kolaches you're going to get in your mouth. So we make traditional and non-traditional kolaches here at Good Dough. Our signature kolache is the Becky. This is a pineapple upside down cake kolache. So the pineapples have been bruleed in brown sugar and it's topped with fresh cherries, and our signature crumble, the sprinkles, the puszka, which I know I'm saying that wrong and some little Polish grandma's gonna correct me, but that's what as Texan as I can get it. We make a variety of unique flavors, including the birthday cake that we call the cha-cha-cha. We have the glamping queen, which is our Nutella s'more. There's the lumberjack, which is a sausage, bacon, cream cheese, maple syrup, and everything's kind of got an inside joke. They've got funny names, from Show Me Your Bloobs to the Full Monty, and it really is we just have as much fun as we possibly can, and the Beckys and I have a great time coming up with all these different unique flavors. When people come into Good Dough, we definitely want them to know that we are here cooking with love, cooking with fresh ingredients. We absolutely love what we do every single day, and so when they come in, I want them to leave with just like a hug in their mouth. And eating a fresh kolache with this fresh baked dough, it's just a beautiful way to show our love through pastries. So Good Dough is located at 611 6th Street, Texas City, Texas. We are on historic 6th Street. You can come 7 days a week from 4 a.m. to 2 p.m. We have constantly rotating flavors, so check our website at www.gooddoughkolachebakery.com. We're on all the social media platforms, so please follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and make sure to come and see us. That's the best part. We really love seeing the customers come in the doors and greeting them and having them come back every day.
Hi, my name's JoJo. This is Jordan and oh God. I never say it's Fran. I always say Fran.
Oh God. I would give up donuts.
I would give up donuts.
If I can just have this. They're that good.
Next is Leaf City at www.good.
Y'all are, I can get through this.
Welcome to Good Dough. These bitches right here.
I hope you're filling all this for the outtakes.